All right, so today I'm going to show you the simplest way to scalp period, like the simplest way to scalp profitably day in, day out. A lot of people are really infatuated with scalping, and I don't quite get it. But that's besides the point. So I'm going to show you some stuff. Couple things, and this won't be a long video. Couple things that we need to identify. And I think we can all agree on probably these points. The market is moving down. Yeah. So if the market is moving down, we really don't want to go against the market. Now, some people, maybe they want to for some really, really strange reason. For me, it makes no sense. If we're moving down, and like all of the big banks and BlackRock and all of the institutions that have way more money than we do, if everyone is moving down and driving the price down, well, shoot dang, I want to do the same thing. I want to do the same thing. So it's not that simple. I get it, but it kind of is that simple. So what I do is I kind of zoom in a little bit. I'm on the 5-minute, I'm on gold. What I start to do is I start to identify, where could we get in? Where would be a good entry point if the price is moving down? So if you look at it, when the price, and we've got a moving average on here, I believe this is the 9, if I'm not mistaken. But if we look at the moving average, when the price keeps on coming up and tapping it, so like let's say here, we're looking at the gold line here, 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 here. You guys kind of get my point here, right? Look at all of these entry points. This one would have been huge. And it just goes all the way down. Now, you could hold this the entire time, and that'd be more of a swing trade, which is more of what I do. So when we switched over from like going up to going down, like when the moving average switched and it crossed over, you can take this first one with virtually zero. I mean, let's look at it. Zero drawdown, which is kind of crazy, right? Zero drawdown. Really, Jordan? Really? Well, let's look at it. You dingus. Look how tiny that is. We didn't come anywhere even close to our stop loss. We literally could take this thing as far as you want to take it. Look at this as a risk to reward. Okay. But not everybody wants to do that. Some people want to scalp. And I get it. So anyways, I digress. But look at how many opportunities you have. And this isn't crazy. This is gold. This isn't some super secret hidden pair that only I know about. And if you pay me $1 million, I'll share it with you. Nah. Right? Just, it keeps on going. You guys get my point. So if you're looking for something simple, here it is. Get a moving average. Let me verify this is actually the 9. 1 second. I want to make sure you guys are getting some accurate stuff. Let me make sure. Yes. Moving average. Just a normal one, y'all. 9. 9. That's what you want. So even if we don't use any of my stuff, just use this. Boom, boom, boom. All the way down, baby. All the way down. Even this here. Jordan, the price action popped up. Yeah, I get it, dude, but we're still in a downward trend. We're still trending down, obviously. For those of you guys that like trend lines like I do, it's not a bad thing. I love trend lines. You could get some of them on here. You could take this trend line break right here if you really wanted to. Retest, shot up. You could do that stuff. But so many people have so many different indicators and they get crazy confused. This is a moving average. And if you don't want to have your moving average on here, use a trend line. But if you want to scalp like this. Yeah, all the way down. This is what we were looking at, all the way down. Some of these are pretty big, y'all. This guy. You know, just under 100 pips, depending on where you got in and out. Here comes up. Price comes up again. Boom. All the way down. Comes up again, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Cool. I truly hope this makes sense. Keep it stupid simple. Now you're probably wondering stop loss. I'll show you how I do a stop loss. What about a stop loss, man? What about the freaking stop loss? Rather than guess, what I do is I will measure what had happened in the past. So here's one, 10, 19. This one's a little bit bigger. 32, 34. Okay, let me see if there's any other significant ones. Maybe this one. So we have 10, 19, 34. Just measure like how it popped out of this line, 19. Okay. So I would do something like 40 pips. Yeah. You would have stayed in this thing the entire time. You wouldn't have gotten stopped out and you would have had some great trades. So don't guess. Don't take anybody's like, well, it's got to be 1 to 2. It's got to be 1 to 3. If it's not 1 to 4, heaven forbid. Don't listen to any of that garbage. Measure it. This is called price range. It's a free tool on TradingView. Price range. All right. Well, 16 pips. Cool. I can do that. No big deal. Copy that. I hope this is helpful. If you guys need help with anything, if you have questions, please post it down below. We are still doing some really cool giveaways for a new subscriber. So if you're a new subscriber and you want to check out, what we do, great. If you guys want to check out our website, it is as follows: blackgoldtrading.ai. We have a really, really tight-knit small community. Go check it out, guys. Blackgoldtrading.ai. And we'll see you guys here probably in the next video.